afternoon, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's start. Whoever has joined, let's give another 2 minutes for people to join. Okay, if you are not volunteering, then I'll call the name. Jivan,
Yes, sir.
you are ready now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay.
So yesterday I explained some basic programs in Java. So you give me a task to study the OOPS concept and OOPS concept for the same examples. So I learned some basic concepts in OOPS, and I write two programs, addition and subtraction in the OOPS concept. Sorry for the disturbance, sir. One minute. Yes, sir. OOPS concept. Sir, my screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, it is visible. Carry on.
Uh, OOPS, basically OOPS. The abbreviation of OOP is Java Object Oriented Programming. In Java revolves around the four main principles: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Okay, let's briefly discuss each concept. Encapsulation, bundling the data and the method functions that operates on the data into a single unit known as a class. In Java, you achieve encapsulation by declaring the variables as private and providing them in public methods. After this explanation, I will show in the example. When it comes to inheritance allows a class like subclass and derived class to inherit the properties and behavior of another class. This is all about inheritance. When it comes to polymorphism allows objects to be treated as instance of their superclasses, promoting flexibility in code. This is all about polymorphism definition. Then when it comes to the
Polymorphism definition is not correct.
Sir, polymorphism allows object to be treated as instance of superclasses, promoting flexible in code. It can be achieved through method overloading and method overriding.
Yes, that is correct. Here 2 points which are correct is method overloading and overriding. Okay, but it has
Yes,
nothing
sir.
to do with the class and its instances and subclasses, something like that. It is basically something having different forms.
Okay.
That is being explained with parent-child relationship in case of overriding. Okay, but the main definition
Okay.
is something like with the same different functionalities or same name with different forms.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sir. In single action by the different ways, polymorphism derived in two Greek words, poly and morphs. The word poly means many and morphs means forms. So polymorphism means many forms.
Correct. So many forms. That is what is the main term.
Yes.
Also.
Okay, sir. Okay. The next one is abstraction. Abstraction involves hiding the complex implementation details and showing only the necessary features of the object. Uh, this is all about abstraction. Then inheritance in Java. Inheritance Java is a mechanism.
Not clear. Abstraction is not again clear. Can you show the description for abstraction?
Like explanation, right, sir?
Yeah. So like, you have this inheritance polymorphism description, right? Same way, can you
Yes,
show
sir.
the description of abstraction?
Like
Do you have the definition of abstraction?
yes, sir. I studied that one, but I'm unable to recover the
Yeah.
recognize that
So
one.
yeah, so many people make mistakes and they have many misunderstandings on abstraction. Okay, and also the difference
Yes,
between
sir.
abstraction and abstraction. Okay, so
Okay.
make sure you have that text with you, and if you are not able to
Okay.
understand any single word or sentence, let me
Mm-hmm.
will explain. This is a very
Okay, sir.
important question. Even if you are going for test automation, right? They may ask you
Yes, sir.
question.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
Um, Sir, abstraction is the process of taking away or removing characteristics from something in order to reduce it to a set or essential characteristics.
It is not removing. That is
Okay.
wrong. Let me tell you.
Okay.
Okay? So abstraction is hiding the implementation details from the
Yes, sir.
product or the client or the customer. So the
Okay, sir.
hiding the
Okay.
implementation details. So these terms you
Uh-huh.
can.
Okay.
So you are abstracting means you are writing certain functionalities, methods, and all, and
Uh-huh.
using you have the access is specified private, public, and all. So you restrict
Okay.
the implementation details and allow them to
Okay.
use those functionalities through some other public methods.
Okay, sir. Okay.
When
Okay.
you
So,
try
yes, sir.
to explain
I
over the
used
code,
that one in the programming, but I forgot that one.
no problem. When you try to explain over the code, we will know exactly in detail that.
Okay, sir. Inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of the parent's object. Suppose here class A is a parent and class B is a child. Class B will get some, as I said, class B will accept some properties and behaviors of extends A, means parents of A. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Then class C, likewise, class C will get some one property behavior of class A, and class D also some get some properties and behavior of class A because class A is a parent.
But this is not
When it's
appropriate example, code example of inheritance.
no, sir, I write that one code over here.
Okay. All right.
As sir said, I explained first thing in public, which is in public. Anybody can access it. It is in public class and it is additional program. Here I'm using that scanner as in class object. I'm using and I am declaring numbers individually like number one, number two. Anybody can give the number and get the output from this code. Let me run this program. First, it will ask for the compilation. For compilation, we need to type class name and as well as the dot Java. First, Java C space. Then for compilation, I'm taking addition program as a class name. ADDITION addition program, then dot Java. Right now I don't got any error. So after that, we need to interpretation that. So we need for the interpretation we need to write. We need to type Java, then space, then class name as addition, ADDI, addition program. Then at first it will come as enter the first number. See here I am asking the enter the first number in the program and as well as enter the second number in the program. So after that it will take it to sum is equal to number 1 and number 2. Then it will add the two numbers, and in the output it will print the output as sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2, and it will going to add the two numbers which we are going to enter here. Let me take the first number example as 6. Then I am then let enter. After that it will ask for the enter the second number. Then I am going to type it as 8 and I am going to press enter. After that we are getting the sum as 14 for the addition. This is all about addition program.
Any puppy is in your
Yes sir, yes sir.
some problem?
1 minute sir. I will change my room.
Yeah, better.
Okay sir, sorry. This is all about public. Then let me go for private. I use some private class. Subtraction for the subtraction. See, this is the private one, and I already mentioned the values as 10.5 into 3.2. If I run the program, it will give the answer as 7.3. It will directly give the answer because I already mentioned it as 10.5 comma 3.2, and I am using calculator as a class name. So let me run this program. Open.
So which concept you are trying to explain here?
Public into private, like as you said, sir.
No, so I mean that is fine, but out of the oops concept, which one you are trying to explain here?
Sir, I involved almost 3 concepts in this one.
No, you have to tell one by one.
Like first we need to
you tell me which concept you are explaining here. Any one first.
first we go for encapsulation.
So explain encapsulation in the code.
Let me go into explain encapsulation. Encapsulation is variable as private and providing in public methods. So I'm using as a public. Sir, am I right?
No. I'll explain you. Open the text.
Sir?
Open the text for encapsulation. What do you have? You have the description, no? What is encapsulation?
No, sir. Encapsulation, I didn't took that one.
Don't have it. Okay. So you
No,
definitely you must collect that information, but still I will explain you. Go there in the code.
Okay, sir.
See, you all know about capsule, right?
Yes, sir.
It is a medicine, and inside the capsule, what we have? Have you seen the
medicine
by opening it?
Yes, sir.
What is that inside the capsule?
It's like a medicine only, sir, like drugs.
Normally powder, right?
Yes, powder
It will
form.
be
Yes,
there
sir.
in the form of powders. Okay. And what is that powder contain?
That medicine which needs to be cured the diseases.
So at the end, it will be certain chemical component. Okay.
Okay.
It will be protein, vitamin, or some organic components basically, which is gathered either artificially or from any plants or animals, something like that. And then they make the medicine, right? That means, and why is that so? It has some functionalities.
Okay.
Okay. and that functionality, whatever it has, it does the action when we eat that capsule. It goes to our stomach, it opens up via water, and then those powder mixes in our blood and it does some functions, actions. Okay.
Okay.
So that means inside the capsule, it is
Yes, sir.
it is basically binding the functions and data. Data is nothing but the values of those functions, like how much protein is there, how much certain amount is there, values of them. Okay, values and functions. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so we call this event as an encapsulation. Means we are binding the functions and data inside a capsule. So the cover what you have, that is a capsule. Inside the capsule, we are binding the data and code. Okay. Now
Yes,
compare
sir.
that capsule with a class. Okay. Here class is
Okay.
your calculation.
Okay, sir.
So inside
Calculator. Yes.
calculation, we have two variable num1 and num2.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these num1 and num2 are the values which it is going to contain. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then you have sum, you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Those are the functions. So
Okay.
this class calculator is encapsulating the data and the functionalities. Clear?
Okay, sir.
That is
Okay.
why
Okay.
we call Java. Java has the concept of encapsulation, because everything in Java is a class or object.
Okay.
So everything whatever we can do with Java only through encapsulation.
Okay, sir.
That is why it is one of the most important features or concepts of OOPS, and especially the object-oriented programming languages like Java.
Okay, sir.
Clear for everybody?
Sir, what about inheritance in this one, sir?
Yeah, I will explain when inheritance comes. Here you don't have inheritance in this class. It is
Okay.
there, but it is hidden. I will explain you when you come
Yes,
to
sir.
inheritance. First, I want to see how you are explaining, and then I will fill the gaps.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Should I explain encapsulation or inheritance, sir, right now?
Encapsulation I have explained. You can watch the video later on again.
Okay.
Memorize the concept so that you can explain. But you can
Okay.
move on with the next concept. What is the next concept in your PPT?
In your PPT, inheritance only, sir.
Inheritance. Okay. Try to explain inheritance.
Um, Sir, I don't know that much, sir. Yesterday I took this program. That's it.
No problem. So what I will do is I will ask you to go back again, watch some videos on each of these concepts, and then sit
Okay.
there again, and no hurry. Whatever you learn, you have to learn perfectly.
Okay, sir.
Someone should say whenever you are going for outside, yes, you have come from GTS.
Okay, sir.
That is the level we are going to teach each and everyone, to make sure you
Okay.
don't have a single gap also in your learnings. Okay.
Okay,
Try
sir.
it
Okay.
once again, watch as much as possible videos, read articles, come back to me. I will see how much you are able to grab. Remaining, I will fill up.
Okay, sir. Done.
All right. So, can we move on with what's pending? Mastum, Mastum, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you update about your status?
Sir, can I share my screen, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, now only, sir. I will prepare my PPT, sir. To
Yeah.
sir, I first of all I learned in take notes, sir. Now only I'm ready to presentations.
Okay. So you were saying you were just taking the notes and you need some more time to present.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct? Okay. How many
Yes,
pages
sir.
you have prepared? How many?
Actually, I 6 hours prepare, sir. Uh,
Yeah.
AWS Amplify, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, ECS, and Lightsail, EC2, S3. These both 6 service depend on web service, sir.
Okay. So those are the services you are going to prepare in detail.
Yes, sir.
So what
Six
I
service,
will
sir.
suggest you, Mastung, you
Yeah.
don't have to wait for to prepare all and then present. Do one or two as much as possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So like for example, you have AWS Amplify in the top. First, do that properly. Okay. Collect
Okay,
all
sir.
the informations. Watch 2-3 YouTube tutorials on it. Okay. You go to
Okay, sir.
AWS account, open up, try to do some game there, and then
Okay, sir.
gather all information and present it.
Okay, sir.
Go one by one. That is fine. People who has background already, they will do it within couple of hours. Okay. But if you do not have the background, it's fine. You do it one by one, learn step by step. But
Okay, sir.
your target is that 7 services you have to master in next couple of weeks. All right. Pavitra.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Nandini,
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
তো লঙ্কাগুলো সবাই খাচ্ছে. Yeah, we can hear you, Pavitra. Go ahead. তো লঙ্কাগুলো সবাই খাচ্ছে. কত জোরে জোরে বলছিস? লো, আস্তে.
Sir, 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, I will come back to you, Pavitra. You get ready, okay? Vinay. Vinay, are you there?
Sir, this is Jeevan, sir.
Yeah, Jeevan.
Tomorrow I need to explain the same program in encapsulation, inheritance, all those concepts, or I need to explain in only 2 concepts.
If you feel difficult, go 1 or 2. That is fine.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Vinay, do you want to go take your turn?
Yes, sir, I will. 1 minute. I will share the screen, sir.
Sir, 5 minutes, sir. I'm connecting to the laptop, sir. Sorry,
That's
sir.
fine. That's fine. You connect and get ready.
Okay, sir.
Vinay, go ahead. So, Pavitra, 5 minutes is a lot. I mean, it is for 1 minute, then we can wait.
Okay, sir.
No problem. You get ready, and next time, you get ready before the meeting only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, shall I start, sir?
Go ahead.
Sir, I have not explained anything in the previous class and other previous class. Hence I am starting from the first. I'm going to explain about the React and advantages and how to create the React app and folders that folders after the creation of the React app and JSX. This is the introduction part. In the introduction part, it says.
Can you go back?
Oh, sir. Sir.
1 minute. Introduction, ReactJS, advantages, how to create React folders, creation. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, don't say folders after creation, say folder structure of React app.
What, sir? I didn't get you.
Folder structure of React app.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Could be the sentence. Go ahead.
ReactJS is a open source JavaScript library. It is created by the Facebook, sir. It simply aims to build an attractive UI, user interface. Imagine a user interface built with React as a collection of components, each responsible for outputting a small, reusable piece of HTML code, sir. What is a React? A React is a library for building a user face, and the React renders renders your UI and responds to the events. Which means when we use the React, it helps us to like mouse event, keyboard event, etc. It helps in the two events. And the React not only helps in the client side, but also helps in the server side, which help to work together improperly, sir. Advantages of React: reusable components. The code can be created and it can be used n number of times, sir. Easier to learn as per to compare to the other frameworks and the libraries, sir. Yeah, React is much more easier than the Angular JS and the JavaScript, sir. And the performance of the React is as good as is very good compared to the others, sir. And the community support. The community support means the React has a huge community support, which helps the developer to solve the problems in to find the solution to the problem, sir. Developer toolset. Developer toolset stands for developer toolset, which stands for the extension which can be added to the web application and for this also in the other applications like Visual Studio, etc. Sir, these are the lack of proper documentation. In a day by day, the React is developing as fast as possible, but the developer is not able to maintain the proper documentation because it is developing in the faster mode. There is no documentation kept for it as to keep developing, sir, and the proper document is not maintained. Development speed, the development speed is too high, sir. Hence the previous version we learned, and the other day the next version comes. It is the problem for the developer to understand about the next version, sir. JSX complexity, sir. It is an advantage and a disadvantage both also, sir. But it is difficult to understand the JSX complexity in the React, sir. How to create a React app? First, we have to go to. First, we have to create the. First, we have to select a folder where the React app should be created, and then we have to create npx create React app file name. It can be created in the through 3 ways. npx create React app is the first one. npm initial init stands for initialization. React app my app. It is the second way. Yarn create app my app is the third way. Here is the example where which I have created. The server is started by telling that sorry, in the command prompt, by clicking the npm uh, npm start. Npm
What
stands
is
for
NPM full
node.
form?
Sir,
NPM full form?
node node process management, I think so, sir.
No,
Node package management, sir. Sorry.
not management.
Node.
Node package manager.
Sir, sorry.
It is managing all the packages.
Sir.
And what is NPX?
Sir, the npx stands for node package extension, I think so, sir.
I will leave it to you to confirm me later.
Okay, sorry.
Right.
After creating the app, this is the file structure we get. The this is my project where I have used the React app create npx React app to create, and node modules. The node module stores the basic modules or the modules which are used for the in the React, and public and source are the editable. Git ignore is the GitHub extension, like where we have to put the git when we have to put the our project in a GitHub, we use the git ignore. It automatically bifurcates the which are the main documents we have to put, and which are the not non documents which we do not want to put. And I don't have the idea about the package log JSON, sir. Package JSON. One second, sir.
Anyone wants to explain about the package.log? Package.log.json? Guys, anyone wants to explain package.log.json? No one? Are you all UI guys there? Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, so when you are running the application, okay, it will create a readable file only, because when you run the application, it needs one static file which will be loaded in its cache, and it until the application is running, it needs to use only that file. Okay, so whenever let's say you remove it, that package.log.json, package.log.json, and then restart, just remove it right away, this file.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Package.log.json, delete it.
Shall I remove the package log JSON,
Yeah,
sir?
nothing will happen, delete. Okay,
Sir.
now start the application.
Sorry, sir. My system is taking a long time to open it.
How much RAM you have in your laptop?
4, sir.
What should be fine, but I think you need to stop other applications which are running, other services.
So presently the
4
Chrome and the
GB is
Visual
just
Studio.
okay, but yeah, 8 or 16 would be.
Okay, sir. Until can I explain the package JSON, sir?
Okay, so what you will observe, I will explain. Once you run it, you will see that log.json file is created once again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, in the package.json, we see the like applications we used, which means React DOM, React script, web titles, with the with their versions, sir. That helps us. That helps the like forthcoming people we have created the projects, and my and other students or developers see it, and they have the idea what are the versions we have used, like libraries, sir. What we have done in the previous which are the applications we are used to develop that that will be stored in this, sir. JSX, sir. JSX stands for the JavaScript XML. Formally it is JavaScript syntax extension. It's a JavaScript extension that allows creation of DOM trees using an XML-like syntax initially created by Facebook for use with the React JSS has been adopted for multiple web frames, sir. I will 1 second, sir. I will show. This is the code, sir. Hello.
Code of what?
Sir, this is a code where we use the like HTML file, sir.
Yes.
This is accepted by the what JSX, sir. We if we have to use this, we have to create the like a 1 second. We have to import the React from React, sir. If we not import this module from the React, then it will not run, sir. Because React extracts imports from it, sir. If we want to run in the pure, which means pure React, we have to write some 3 to 4 lines, sir, like this.
That's fine. But what you are trying to explain here? What concept?
Sir, it is which means JSX accepts the code through the HTML also, sir.
So do little more research on JSX and
Yes, sir.
explain with a good example. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, move on to the next.
Okay, sir. Then I have learned about the React DOM and the render. Render fetches the data from the other components.
Okay.
1 second. Sir, I have been running the React from this because I don't know any idea. My laptop is not available presently right now, so I have a user. I have created the programs which I've saved in my previous laptop. I will explain through this, sir. I will show the programs which I have saved in, which I have done in the next class, sir. Next meeting. Yes, sir. Here we have created a function called as my button, and the return value is button. I am a button, in which it is in which there will be a button will be created in the I am a button, sir. And export default it defaultly specifies only one function, sir, which is my app. Export default is used for that only. Default export. Sir. Default exports are useful to export only one object function variable, sir. Here only, sir, example. Let x is equal to 4. Export default x, where it is default only sending the X value only. Import Y from module console.log Y, but it is showing the answer of 4. Right, sir? Is it right?
Yeah, I mean, what is there in the text you are explaining, but I think you need to
No, no,
adapt.
sir. I have practiced it, but I am little bit of confusion, sir. I have taken the notes in the laptop only.
Yeah, I think in that case I will, but that's fine. You try it out. That's fine. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is done through the nesting. Previously, the button is nested to the header H1, sir. Here, my button is nested to the export default my H1. Welcome to app, and the output would be like this, sir. Welcome to my app. Yeah. I have only worked about yes, sir. Till here, sir.
Okay. Okay.
I have used
See
the
what?
CSS app,
No, that's
sir.
one. Let me add little bit here. Go up
Yes, sir.
where you have created that button.
What, sir?
You have created a button here, na? That
Yes,
button
sir.
text rendering. Yeah, go to that function.
Sir, it is not.
Go to
Sir,
that
it is
go to the
code, sir.
code where you are showing that now here you are using the button tag. Okay,
Yes, sir.
go where you have defined the button my button.
Yes, sir.
You have
Function my
defined
button.
my button. Okay, function. Okay, see in HTML you have inbuilt tags, right? For
Yes,
example,
sir.
HTML, tr, td, button, everything. You have the inbuilt, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this my button is something customized tag you are creating here. The
I
button
get
is
it.
a inbuilt tag, correct?
Okay, sir.
Now
Ah,
using
sir.
the button tag, you are customizing your my button,
Yes, sir.
correct? And that my
Yes,
button you are using in your code.
yes, sir.
So it is a simple concept like this.
Okay, sir.
So you have inbuilt functions. Now you are defining your own function or own tags based on the inbuilt functions or tags,
Yes, sir.
correct? So that
Yes, sir.
simple it is.
Ah, sir.
Then you are returning it. So it is like if you know Java or C, C++, you write functions and methods which returns values or objects. Same way,
Okay.
you are creating functions which is returning basically a combination of HTML content.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, move on.
Function about the page, sir. It returns what is about. Hello there. How do you do? Yes, sir. The breaks and put it to the next line. That is. Yes, sir. I have done till this only, sir. I have not completed extra.
No, that's fine. So this is first time you are trying to learn ReactJS or any JavaScript framework.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one simple analogy. Okay, first thing is I appreciate your courage. It is good that you started at least, because anything you want to achieve first you have to start, and most of the
Yes, sir.
people don't have courage to start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, couple of guys already left by seeing the complexity, or they are scared. I mean, I removed them because they are not attending, or they are not regular.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because first thing is they are not able to set up their mind itself. Their mind
Yes.
is roaming in so many different topics and things, so completely like uncontrolled mind. Okay, so they are
Yes,
not
sir.
clear what they are going to do in future.
Yes,
It is good you have stabilized and you know what needs to be done. You are from Karnataka, right?
yes, sir.
Had you been to Jog Falls?
No, sir.
No,
No,
but
sir.
you should go.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I went, sir.
For time,
Ah, sir.
I'll tell you why I'm telling about that. See, Jog Falls is a very nice place where it has many steps to go down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to bottom of it, where the waterfall is, the water falls at the ground level.
Yes.
Okay, so many steps, and if you have like patience and energy, and go step by step. It will take a lot of time if you
Yes, sir.
enjoy the nature and go there. Finally, you reach in that place where the water is falling on the ground.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then only you can enjoy the waterfall there.
Yes, sir.
Then again you have to come back with the same energy, or energy will be down, but you have to gather energy and again you have to come to the top again. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the first step we have taken to go down.
Yes, sir.
And so you have to go deep, and
Yes, sir.
once you go deep, you will enjoy that waterfall. Means you will enjoy that real-time programming.
Yes, sir.
Once you enjoy the programming, you will be able to utilize it, come back, and that is where you will get a job and you will build your career.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, very good start. Keep doing with a very good enthu and energy, and you will, definitely your career will be changed in few months.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vinay.
May I know the tomorrow's task, sir? Which has to
Tomorrow,
perform?
what you do is
Yes, sir.
go back to the slide where you explain the advantages and disadvantages.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, show me that.
1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I mentioned that it was a good start, right?
Yes, sir.
So now, whatever explanation you have given, these are in a very, very high level, and it is like, it was on text only. It was like you were
Yes, sir.
just reading the text. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do is, for each of these advantages,
Yes,
explore,
sir.
do some research in YouTube and articles, and
Yes, sir.
come up with some examples to explain them. How I asked for OOPS concept.
Okay, sir.
Then only you will be able to explain to the interviewer when he asks, tell me what are the use of why we need to use ReactJS or what are the advantages. It is not
Okay.
just about telling reusable components or community support, or this really does not add much value by saying those words.
Okay, sir.
When you are able to tell the real value of this, that is what will be accepted and appreciated.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so do this, and then let's see. Even if you find difficulty, I want to hear that, and then I will help you what you have to do.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
Sir, as per I am learning through the YouTube and this, sir, I have showed the React.dev. I am learning from that only, sir. Is that a good way or it's?
Yeah, anything is fine. YouTube, and mainly always go to official documentations of the technology. So that is
Yes,
the
sir.
good thing. React.js, that's fine, and try to utilize Chat GPT,
ChatGPT.
or Bard, BARD.
Ah, sir.
Okay, to utilize AI tools which will give you more knowledge.
Okay, sir.
Easily you can find answer of your questions.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Okay, so I'll come back to Pavitra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Shall I start, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Good
Can I
afternoon,
ask
sir.
everyone to put your profile picture at least? We are not coming on video, but put your profile picture on your account.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Now I'm going to explain these 5 services: Amazon CloudWatch, Amazon CloudFront, Elastic File System, Simple Notification Service, and Simple Queue Service. First, we are going to see about CloudWatch, sir. Amazon CloudWatch is nothing but monitors our Amazon Web Services, sir. And it monitors service for AWS resources and applications also. We can use CloudWatch to collect and track matrices, which are variables. We can measure our resources and applications, sir. Advantages of CloudWatch is it is easy to set up alarms and rules. We can set alarms by using alarm options, sir, and collect data from AWS and on-premises service.
Yeah, did you ask anything? Sorry, I missed.
1 minute, sir. Next, we are going to see about CloudFront, sir. Amazon CloudFront is nothing but a content delivery network, which is CDN service that distributes our website and application to servers around the world. CloudFront is nothing but content delivery network, sir. It helps deliver your content to the end users with our low latencies and high data transfer speeds. Advantages of CloudFront is it's a free tier for a year and it is highly configurable. Bunch of advanced features also available, sir. Disadvantages will be cost will be extra for technical support. Not easy to calculate the monthly expenditure. Some of the other content delivery networks offer better performance. Next, we are going to see about Amazon Elastic File System, which is EFS. It is very scalable and fully managed file storage service. EFS is nothing but a file storage service, sir, that provides simple, scalable file storage using AWS cloud services. And it also allows multiple EC2 instances to share and access the same file system. And it also requires shared access to files. Advantages of EFS is you only pay for the storage for what we use, and EFS replicates data across multiple availability zones within a high durability and availability. EFS provides backup and restore capabilities also. These are the advantages of EFS. Coming to disadvantage, it is very more expensive than other storage option in AWS, and EFS might not be available in all AWS regions. Only availability zones only it will available. EFS may introduce higher latency compared to other storage options in AWS. Coming to simple notification service, SNS stands for Simple Notification Service. It's a managed service that provides message delivery from publishers to subscribers. Then it enables decoupling of microservice, distributed system, and serverless applications by allowing them to communicate through messages or notifications. Advantages of SNS will be it is very flexibility in message formats. It enables decoupling between components in a distributed system, and it scales effortlessly to handle a large number of messages and subscribers. Coming to disadvantages of SNS, depending on our usage, SNS cost can be added. If you have any high volume of messages or multiple delivery protocols, cost will be added. SNS has a limited message retention. If subscribers are not actively listening for messages, they may miss notifications. Delivery time will be variability. Coming to simple queue service, which is nothing but SQS. SQS lets you send, store, and receive messages between software components at any volume without losing messages or requiring other services to be available. It's a fully managed message querying service provided by the AWS. SQS enables reliable, scalable, and communication between distributed software components. Advantages of SQS: so reliability, visibility timeout. If you're not seeing within time, it will disappear all messages, and security will be provided. Scalability. Disadvantages of SQS will be limited message size will be available. Cost structure will be different. Messages ordering will also be different. SQS operates within a specific AWS region only. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, good. It is a good start, Pavitra. So, have you created account in AWS?
Yes, sir. Yesterday only I created, sir.
Okay. So go back to the list of services in the top.
One minute, sir.
It is a good presentation, but it is more about the text what is there that you read. But the things need to come from inside. Okay, so that is the level you have to go.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so yeah, no, you go with the first slide, no?
Okay, sir.
Where you have the list of services. Yeah. So you can pick CloudWatch first. Okay. So what you need to do is go to your AWS account. Okay. See the CloudWatch and
Okay, sir.
create if any application or anything which you want to pick, or is based on any tutorial you can pick how to demonstrate CloudWatch. Okay. Show me
Okay.
what all different features are there inside CloudWatch properties, how you can enable access for different people, and what all different activities you can do.
Okay, sir.
So in the DevOps team, I think someone else is also doing CloudWatch. You can collaborate, you can discuss with them, and some people who have already know about it, you can show it what you are planning to do. You can ask your questions, and as a team, you guys discuss with each other, and then prepare it well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So get it ready. If you are done with first one, go to the next one, CloudFront like that, and keep them ready. And when your next turn comes, you can demonstrate it to me.
Okay, sir.
Any question for me?
Sir, next demonstration will be these 5 services hands-on, sir.
Yes, one by one.
Okay,
If you are
sir.
ready with 2, if you have time, we can go with 2 or 3 together, or else one by one we can go.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Try to gather the details as much as possible, because that is what is the gain you make in this training.
Okay, sir.
If you leave certain points, if you are not able to memorize that, then that means you are losing that part.
Okay, sir.
Any other question?
Sorry, sir. This is my first PPT. I don't know how to create and how to insert contents. Next time I will change it, sir.
No problem. It is a good presentation.
Okay, sir.
Everybody will have their own ideas, and I want to have people do it differently. And it is more about your understanding on the system, on the service, and the capability to demonstrate and explain.
Okay, sir.
But it is good. Okay.
Okay.
Sweet and simple. Anything else?
No, sir.
All right. Yukti,
Yes, sir.
so I remember one thing is pending from my side. I don't have time to give you a repo, but you can continue with your topic.
Sir, visible.
Yeah. Actually, just do one thing. I'm getting one call. Okay. So what I will try to do is I'll try to catch up after maybe 15 that. Anyway, you guys are on time till 6 o'clock, right? So when I
Visible.
then yeah, it is visible, Yukti. So actually, I got one call. Okay, so I have to attend that. And since you guys are on at least till 6 o'clock, let me see what when I can be available next, and I will ping you guys, and then you join, please again. Is that fine?
Fine, fine. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. See you guys.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, Tyler. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, please carry on, and we'll meet again.